Hello everyone. First of all, I'm gonna go over with all the material that you guys receive in the free toolkit box. There's 2 dry foam blocks, some bamboo stick for the holders, 1 whole bag of 100 counts of 6-inch bamboo sticks. You're also gonna receive a box of scotch tape. I'm just gonna send you a regular one for now. However, for professional use, I do recommend the super whole type. And make sure that you have a very good tape dispenser. Come along with the toolbox, you are going to receive a tissue paper. This is a water resistant one, and 4 sheets of wrapping papers. I almost forget that you also receive about 3 meters of cotton twine. Let's move over to the one that I want you guys to really work on before the class. Taping and folding are very important, and it's also take a lot of time. So please practice this step as much as you can before the class. First step, we fold the bill into half, pinch the bottom. This is where we're gonna tape the bamboo stick on the bill. Try not to place the bamboo stick too high or too low. If it's too high, it's gonna show the bamboo stick visibility, but if it's too low, it's gonna make the whole thing very weak. Don't forget that we only use the crispy new bills. For the best practice and result, please only use new money. 2 tapes for the front and 1 tape for the back. After taping, I will make sure that the bamboo stick stay very strong on the bill by pinching on the top of the bamboo stick. Now we are done with the taping step. Let's move forward to folding. Whichever angle that's more comfortable for you, please do so. For me, I use my left hand to hold the bottom and use my right hand to pull the bottom left and bottom right of the bill into the middle. Do you see how I use my left hand to hold the bottom and my 2 right fingers to hold the middle? At this step, please super gentle with the bills. We don't want to squish them at this moment. This is how I tape to create a perfect round looking petal. Basically, you tape onto your finger. A perfect petal is even on both sides, even in the middle, and very roundish, happy looking. Now that we're done with the classic folding, I will give you a bonus folding step with lotus style. Classic style and lotus style have the same arranging techniques. That is why I want you guys maybe try on the lotus style too. Okay guys, I am done with the pre-class video. Now it is your time to start practicing. The whole 15 minutes of the class, I will try to focus on arranging technique and wrapping technique. I will also use the last 10 minutes for you guys to Q&A. By the time that the class started, please have about 10 to 30 bills that already fold ready for arranging technique. Alright, I see you guys soon.